Hi everyone, it's me, your math teacher Jello. For today's video, I will show you how to add similar and dissimilar fractions. So, what is similar fraction? Kapag sinabi natin similar fraction, dapat yung mga denominators nun ay magkakaparehas. Okay? And kapag dissimilar fractions naman, yung mga denominators nun ay magkakaiba. Okay, so how to add similar fractions? So, to add similar fractions, add the numerators, then copy the denominator. So, ganun lang kasimple. Then, second step, simplify the result if necessary. So, dito sa letter B, kung kinakailangan natin mag-simplify or mag-reduce, so, pwede natin siyang i-apply, yung pinaka-final answer natin. And then, how to add the similar fractions naman. So, dito, find the LCD or least common denominator to make the fraction similar. So dito, yung LCD na sinasabi natin ay least common denominator. It is the least or smallest number which can be exactly divided by the different denominators. So then, we divide the LCD by the denominators of the concerned fractions and multiply the quotient thus obtained by the numerators of the concerned fractions. So, mas maintindihan natin to kapag na-explain na natin sa examples natin. Okay? So, let's answer the following examples. So, number 1. So, by the way, find the sum of the following fractions. So, ipag-add natin sila, guys. So, dito, ito yung tinatawag nating similar fractions kasi magkapares tayo ng denominator. So, dito, guys, kapag magkapares na tayo ng denominator, so, pwede na tayong mag-add ng numerator and simply copy the denominator. Okay, sabi dyan, add the numerator. So, 7 plus 4 equals 11. And then, copy the denominator. So, i-copy lang natin yan. So, the answer is 11 over 15. So, that's the answer. Okay? And then, next, number 2, 1 over 9 plus 4 over 9 plus 1 over 9. That is equal to, very good, 6 over 9. Okay, kasi 1 plus 4 is 5 plus 1 is 6. Copy the denominator. Kahit na ilang fractions pa yan, basta magkakapares tayo ng denominator, yun ay similar fractions. So, we simply copy the denominator and add only the numerators. Okay? And 6 over 9 is still simplifiable, no? So, pwede natin malawis terms. So, we can express 6 over 9 as 2 over 3, right? Or 2/3. Okay? Ayan. Kasi, both numerator and denominator are divisible by 3, right? So, 6 divided by 3, the answer is 2. 9 divided by 3, the answer is 3. Okay. Next, number 3. So, 2 over 7 plus 9 over 7 plus 4 over 7. So, guys, dito, ipag-add lang natin yung numerators natin. So, 2 plus 9 is 11 plus 4. So, we have 15, right? So, 15 over 7. So, we keep that denominator or copy lang natin siya kasi ito ay similar fractions. Okay? So, dito guys, nag-come up tayo sa improper fraction. Pwede natin ito ma-express into a mixed fraction or a mixed number. So, guys, hindi ko na ipapakita yung kung paano change to sa mixed number. Panoorin nyo na lang yung video natin. So, meron tayong review about dito. 15 over 7 is equal to, very good, 2 and 1 over 7. Okay? Okay, so, the answer is 2 and 1 over 7. Next, number 4, 1/2 plus 7 over 12. So, dito guys, mapapansin natin, ito ay dissimilar fractions. Kasi magka-iba tayo or different denominators, right? So, ito ay dissimilar fractions. So, paano ba tayo nag-add ng dissimilar fractions? So, first, hanapin natin LCD ng 2 and 12, right? Okay, so, we all know that the LCD is 12. So, magsusolution tayo dito. So, 1/2 plus 7 over 12. So, guys, pwedeng ganito. Ayan. Or pwedeng isa na lang. Tapos, yung denominator na 12 ay nandun. Okay? So, dito guys, 12 yan. Copy nyo lang yan. Kasi, sabi dito, find the LCD to make the fraction similar. Yan. Gawin natin similar and then para mag-direct add tayo. Sana natin ako yung 12 kasi sa LCD ng 2 and 12, right? So, sabi natin dito, then, we divide the LCD by the denominators. Okay, ito yung LCD natin which is 12. I-divide natin sa denominators. 12 divided by 2 is 6 times 1 equals 6. Sabi dito, we divide the LCD by the denominators of the concerned fractions and multiply the quotient. So, ito yun guys, 12 divided by 2, 6 ang sagot doon. Yung quotient times 1, 6. Okay, so plus, ganun din, 12 divided by 12 is 1, right? Times 7 is 7. So, dito, ang sagot natin ay 13 over 12. Pero, still, ito ay improper fraction. So, pwede natin i-express to as mixed fraction or mixed number. Yung 13 over 12, that is equal to 1 and 1 over 12. Okay, so that's the answer. So, the answer is 1 and 1 over 12. Gets? Next, number 5. So for number 5, kindly comment your answer. Okay? And now, let's answer number 6. So, dito guys, kung mapapansin natin, we have 3 fractions, right? So, huwag kayong kabahan. Madali lang ito guys. So, hanapin natin yung LCD ng bawat fraction na yan. So, 2 over 3 plus 3 over 4 plus 5 over 6. Okay, so ang LCD ng 3, 4 at 6 ay 12. Okay. By LCM, ilist down natin yung multiples ng 3, 4, and 6. Makukuha natin doon ay 12, right? Okay, so yung 12 na yun guys, yun ay magiging denominator natin. Okay, so 12. 12 divided by 3, 4 times 2, the answer is 8. Tama? And then 12 divided by 4, the answer is 3 times 3. Okay, equals 9. 12 divided by 6, 2 times 5, 10. So, kung mapapansin natin guys, nag-come up tayo sa similar fractions. So, paano natin ipina-perform yung similar fractions? We simply copy the denominators, right? So, isa lang yan, magiging 12. And then, 8 plus 9, the answer is 17 plus 10, 27. So, 27 over 12. Since, nag-come up na naman tayo sa improper fraction, so, i-lowest term natin to, or i-reduce natin. 27 and 12, both numerator and denominator ay divisible by 3, right? Tama? Okay. So, 27 divided by 3, the answer is 9. And then, 12 divided by 3, the answer is 4. Okay. So, the answer is 9 over 4, or yung 9 over 4, express natin sa mixed fraction kasi naka-improper fraction to. Or, the answer is 2 and 1/4. Okay? So, ganun lang kasimple. This is the end of our video. Kung meron kayong natutunan sa video ito, kindly like and share. Thank you for watching.